is going on, my goofy bastard friends? I am back. So I'm going to roll that intro and I'm going to get into this video. So guys, welcome back. This is the first time you're checking me out. Thank you very much. For all you returning people, I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for coming on back. So today I want to talk about the Goofy Bastard Challenge. So I put out a challenge a couple months ago, and it was a no edit challenge. You make at least a 7 to 10 minute video and you do not edit at all. One camera, basically. And surprisingly, I put this out in like December. So a lot of the people, there's a lot of people that are in their winter months at that time that put their bike in storage. So surprisingly, like, I was floored by how many responses and how many videos that actually came out from that. At my last count, it was over 40 different people had done the Goofy Bastard Challenge, and that's just the people I know about. Like, there could be videos out there that I don't even know about, and it's, I don't know, I was floored by it. I was like, damn, you know, being in the winter months and these guys are doing the Goofy Bastard Challenge, and like, seriously, like I said, I'm floored. I'm blown away by it. And I actually wound up coming across a ton of good channels because of it. People I never even knew of were doing it, and they killed it. They nailed it. They crushed it. And some of the stories that people came up with for these were like awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed. I gotta admit, I thoroughly enjoyed each and every one of them. You know, there were people. I saw a couple videos. They were trudging through fucking snow doing this thing, and I was like, you guys are fucking crazy. So yeah, I don't know like how I would be able to do it, because that is a lot of that's a lot of people, in my opinion. Like, I could probably run like I want to get their names out there and leaving links in the description. That's a lot of links for me to leave in the description, but I'm going to see if I can get their names scrolling right up here. So I'm just gonna sit here, relax, let the names go, and we'll go from there. Hopefully that was enough time to let all the names scroll by. So I have, stay right there, any of the videos that I've been made aware of I have watched the whole way through. I have made comments. So if you have done this challenge and I have not commented on your video, that means I have not seen it. And if that's the case, please, please, please let me know in some way, and I will go watch your I will check out the video, because I want to see these challenges. I think they're fun. I like seeing what people are talking about with this. I like seeing how people do it. So if I did not comment on your challenge, means I did not see it. And please notify me that you've done it, whether it be here on YouTube. You can DM me on Instagram at goofy_bastard1. Once again, I say goofy_bastard1. So it would be great if you've done the challenge and I have not seen it, that I am able to see it. Alright guys, so I want to thank each and every one of you. Like, seriously, thank you very much for doing this, for taking your time out to do my stupid little challenge. Alright guys, so until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.